one. This is Chinese herbal medicine for cough. Okay, so lahat po kami may cough. I have a sea coconut cough mixture soup here. Look at this. So I think it's the same. Let me open the light here. See better? Look at this. Oh. So these inside have a lot of ingredients, some herbal. We have mandarin inside. I don't know what all these things here. So there's a lot of roots. Have sugar cane inside. Yeah, I think so. Have mushroom inside. So we're gonna try this because I have cough. Everybody have cough here. So I have here a pot. I'm going to wash it up. Okay, so I'm going to boil this. I'm going to boil, right? See this, guys. I'm going to boil it. Okay. And we're gonna open this. I'm gonna try this. So you can see there's a lot of herbal here. See that? So this is sugar cane. Sugar cane. So a lot of sugar cane, guys, if you can see. So, oh, this one is a kugun. Sa atin naman yung tawag dito ay kugun. Kugun roots, I think. Yeah. And this is, I think it's something mandarin or oranges. So we have, see, there's a lot here. Okay. So look at it. A lot of herbal here. There's a mandarin. This is what? I don't know. This is something sugar cane. There's a lot of sugar cane, barley. So there's a lot of spices. So I'm going to add 200 liters of water. 200 liters of water. Gonna add it. This is 500. So we're gonna boil it. So lahat kami dito, guys, nagka-cough. We have a cough problem. We have a phlegm. One. See this. So according to the instruction, 1.5 or 2 liters of water. So ito na, guys, I'm going to put in a fire. This is 2 liters of water. Okay, 2 liters of water. So this is almost 1 hour. Okay, 45 minutes. Just boil it, and after that, just lower the fire to make it steamer. So this is the brand. So I want to buy this one also, guys. Okay, to send back in the Philippines. You know, very hard. But there's a lot of these ingredients in the Philippines. I can also make it dry. Can make also, see, but there are a lot of ingredients that we don't have there. Right. So we're going to boil it. Boil. Okay, I need to add some more water. According to the instruction, it's only 2 liters, but I'm going to add some more because it's going to condense it. Okay. So everybody can drink this. It's for cough. For our cough, I have phlegm. They have phlegm. We have cough. We have runny nose. So everybody have in the house. So we're going to cover it, and we're going to leave it there first. Okay, we're going to leave it there for almost 1 hour or 45 minutes. So medyo hindi pa ako marunong nitong monopod ko, guys, kaya nahuhuli siya. So ganun lang yun, guys. So after this, is done already. I'm going to take a rest already. Wala sila, kaya ako lang mag-isa. So, boy, that I'm going to eat first. Bye! Bye na po! Happy New Year! Sige, patapusin ko na lang yan. So, I will turn. Right. So, I have a hard cough. Mahirap talaga maging malayo sa pamilya, guys. Okay lang yan.